Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, in this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus opportunities from L&T, Deloitte and App Inventive. So all BE BTech, ME MTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, MSc, BCom students, those who are passing out in 2021, 22 and 23 batch students are eligible for this job. So for this job, there is no 60% criteria and all branches are eligible to apply. So we will be discussing about step-by-step process. So let's begin our video. The first opportunity is from L&T. They are hiring for the role of Graduate Commercial Trainee 2023. So talking about the eligibility criteria, then candidates who are pursuing their undergraduation degree and are currently in final year with a degree in BCom, BBA, BBM, BSc in Physics, Mathematics and Statistics, they can only apply for this job. So the students who will be completing their undergraduation degree in May, June, July 2023, they are only eligible for this job. Talking about the percentage criteria, then the candidates should have secured minimum 60% or more up to 4th semester of their undergraduation. So friends, they are not asking for the 10th and 12th percentage. They are only asking for your undergraduate percentage, which should be 60% or more up to your 4th semester. For this job, only candidates pursuing their undergraduate in full-time mode, they are only eligible. And the candidates who are pursuing their dual degree or the correspondence course, they are not eligible for this job. And you should be having no backlog or all the backlogs have been cleared. And they've also asked for the age criteria. So the candidates who have born between 1st July 2000 to 30th June 2005 are eligible for this job, and both the dates are inclusive, and for this job only Indians can apply. So talking about the job role, after selection for this job, you will be assigned a position of Graduate Commercial Trainee, where you will be undergoing a training period for 12 months in the areas like finance, accounts, taxation, site administration, industrial relations, purchase, stores, materials management and time office. They are hiring for the Pan India location, so no need to worry about the location. You will be getting the preferred location as per your choice. So this is a very good opportunity for all the graduates. So you must apply for this job by filling all the basic necessary in the registration form. Second opportunity is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for the post of Associate Analyst Executive Assistant. So talking about the eligibility criteria, then any graduate freshers or having experience less than 11 months, they can only apply for this job. They are hiring for the location of Hyderabad. So talking about the job role and responsibilities, then you will be assigned for a position of Support Executive Assistant, where you will be executing day-to-day work. You will be responsible for submitting expense claims of American Express statement, where you will be booking the meeting rooms and creating travel itineraries on behalf of partners using the required Deloitte systems. You will be also responsible for support and respond to ad hoc requests, and you will be also responsible for the general queries from EAs in a timely manner. You will be also managing requests and ticket through the ESS service portal. You will be building a strong relationship with key client and stabilizing a rapport with stakeholders, partners, directors and staff. So if you meet all the eligibility criteria, you must apply for the Deloitte off-campus hiring. Third opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is from App Inventive. They are hiring for the role of software engineer for the Noida location. So talking about the eligibility criteria, then you should be having a bachelor's degree with a knowledge in programming language like C, C++, Java, Python. You should be ready to learn new technology with Appian or Salesforce. So talking about the skills, you should be having a strong knowledge. You should be having a knowledge in designing interactive applications where you will be able to develop software in C, C++ or Java. You should be also having a excellent knowledge in relational database or SQL. You should be also familiar with software development methodologies and having a basic knowledge in SDLC. So friends, this was the 4 off-campus job opportunities. So you must apply for all these jobs if you meet all the eligibility criteria. And if you like the video, do hit the like button. Also share with your friends, those who are in search of new off-campus job opportunities, and consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job opportunities. Thank you.